Welcome back everyone. So how you can change your drive letter in Windows? So how we can do that? Okay. So first of all, open the computer and here I'm opening the file explorer here. Okay. You can see this PC. I have two drives. Okay. I have a local disk C and new volume E. Okay, so I want to change the name E to another letter. Okay, so how we can do that? Just right click on your PC, click on show more properties, click on manage, and you click on manage, the computer management will open. Okay, so select the disk management. You can see the E volume drive here. Okay, this is the E volume drive. Right click on it and change drive letter and paths. Okay, click on it. You can change another, just like change to which one do you want, just like I say I don't want to change, but I can change for you, so that's it. E, let's select F. Okay, so I have selected the F letter. Okay, and click OK. Some programs are okay, so yes, disk management. Okay, so yes, now you can see the volume letter has changed. Okay, the F letter. Okay, you can see the F letter here, not E. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Bye, and subscribe for more.